Chapter 10, Real Estate for Beginners. Tips for first-time buyers, navigating new horizons. Welcome, dear readers, to the exhilarating world of real estate. In this chapter, we embark on a journey specifically tailored for first-time buyers. Buying your first property is a monumental step, one that blends the excitement of fulfilling dreams with the practicalities of investment. We'll provide invaluable tips, insights, and guidance to ensure your initial foray into real estate is a resounding success. The dream and the reality, balancing aspiration with affordability. Let's begin with the fundamental question: what kind of property do you envision? It's essential to align your dreams with your budget realistically. Real estate transcends mere brick and mortar. It's a financial commitment that should harmonize with your long-term goals. Imagine yourself standing at the intersection of aspiration and affordability. Here, you'll learn how to evaluate your financial readiness, determine your budget, and set realistic expectations. We'll guide you in creating a budget that not only covers the purchase price but also accounts for ongoing expenses like property taxes, insurance, and maintenance. This financial foundation is your compass on the journey to homeownership. The power of pre-approval, confidence in your budget. Mortgage pre-approval is your golden ticket in the real estate world. Imagine the confidence of knowing your budget before you start house hunting. We'll explore the significance of pre-approval, the process involved, and how it enhances your buying power. Picture yourself as a pre-approved buyer, ready to make offers with the certainty of securing financing. With pre-approval, you gain an edge in competitive markets, as sellers often prefer buyers who have already undergone this process. Additionally, it saves you time and energy by focusing your search on properties within your approved price range. Your journey to homeownership starts with a solid financial foundation, and mortgage pre-approval is a cornerstone of that foundation. First-time homebuyers, from dreams to keys. The moment you receive the keys to your first home is nothing short of magical. It symbolizes not just a transaction, but the realization of your dreams, the establishment of your roots, and the commencement of a new chapter in life. We'll guide you through the entire home buying process, ensuring your debut in the real estate arena is a triumph. Envision yourself walking through the threshold of your new home, keys in hand. From house hunting to making an offer, conducting inspections, and finally, closing the deal, we'll provide step-by-step insights into the journey. You'll learn how to create a wish list of your dream home's features, enlist the services of a real estate agent, and make informed decisions throughout the process. This chapter is your compass to navigate the exciting path to homeownership. Navigating the market, charting your path. The real estate market is a vast and diverse landscape, akin to an ocean with countless possibilities. As a first-time buyer, you're the captain of your journey, and your success depends on charting the right course. We'll equip you with the navigation tools necessary to help you steer toward properties that align with your aspirations. Imagine yourself as the captain of a ship, with a well-calibrated compass and a clear route. We'll guide you in understanding the different types of properties available, from single-family homes to condos, townhouses, and beyond. You'll discover how to identify your priorities, whether it's location, size, specific amenities, or future potential. Armed with this knowledge, your property search will be purposeful and efficient, ensuring you find a home that not only suits your needs but also resonates with your aspirations. Real estate guidance, your North Star. In the labyrinth of options, guidance is the lantern that lights the way. We stand beside you as your North Star, illuminating the path to your dream property with expert insights and wisdom gained from years of experience. Imagine having a seasoned navigator by your side, someone who knows the twists and turns of the real estate landscape. We'll provide you with valuable advice on evaluating properties, conducting inspections, and making strategic offers. Our guidance will help you avoid common pitfalls and negotiate effectively to secure the best possible deal. Your journey into real estate is an adventure, and with the right guidance, it's an adventure that can lead to a lifetime of fulfillment and financial security. Chapter 11, Real Estate Investment. Building wealth through real estate, the journey begins. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the realm of real estate investment. In the world of investments, real estate stands as a fortress of wealth-building opportunities. In this chapter, we embark on a journey to understand how real estate can be a path to financial prosperity. Imagine your financial future as a grand estate, with real estate investments as the sturdy foundation. We'll explore the key benefits of real estate investment, from the potential for long-term appreciation to the generation of passive income through rental properties. Real estate isn't just about owning property, it's about building a legacy of wealth and financial security. Your journey to financial prosperity begins here. Real estate investment, the world of possibilities. Unlock the treasure chest of real estate investments. Beyond traditional approaches, we'll explore strategies such as rental properties, fix and flip, and crowdfunding that open doors to a world of endless possibilities. Imagine having a diversified investment portfolio, with real estate assets playing a prominent role. We'll delve into various real estate investment strategies, each offering its unique set of risks and rewards. From becoming a landlord and earning rental income to flipping properties for short-term gains, we'll help you understand the options available and choose the path that aligns with your financial goals. Your wealth-building journey is a tapestry of possibilities, and we're here to help you weave it with wisdom. Investment strategies, crafting your wealth blueprint. In the arena of investments, strategies are your compass. We'll delve into different approaches to real estate investment, each with its unique set of risks and rewards. Imagine your investment strategy as a blueprint for your financial future. We'll explore the intricacies of strategies such as buy and hold, where you acquire properties for long-term appreciation, and fix and flip, where you renovate and sell for a profit. We'll also introduce you to the concept of real estate crowdfunding, a modern approach that allows you to invest in properties alongside other investors. By crafting a well-informed investment strategy, you position yourself for success in the dynamic world of real estate investment. Chapter 12, Real Estate and Retirement. Real estate in retirement planning, the golden nest. Retirement is a destination we all aim for, a time when we can reap the rewards of our hard work and enjoy the fruits of our labor. In this chapter, we delve into how real estate can be a cornerstone of your retirement plan, providing financial security and stability. Imagine your retirement years as a golden nest, carefully built and nurtured over a lifetime. We'll explore the role of real estate in retirement planning, from owning rental properties that generate passive income to downsizing your current home to unlock additional funds. Real estate isn't just about bricks and mortar, it's about securing your future and ensuring a comfortable retirement. Your journey to a golden retirement begins with strategic real estate decisions. Retirement real estate, your future sanctuary. Your retirement home isn't just a place, it's your sanctuary, your oasis of tranquility where you'll create new memories and cherish existing ones. We explore how you can integrate real estate assets into your retirement portfolio, ensuring that your living arrangements align with your financial goals. Imagine yourself in the home of your dreams, surrounded by comfort and serenity. We'll discuss the benefits of downsizing to a smaller home that requires less maintenance and offers greater convenience. Additionally, we'll delve into the option of relocating to a more affordable area or considering a reverse mortgage to tap into the equity of your current home. Your retirement home is more than just a roof over your head, it's a haven of peace and security. Downsizing and retirement, simplifying for tomorrow. As the years pass, priorities change, and the concept of downsizing becomes increasingly appealing. We'll explore the art of downsizing, a strategic move that simplifies your life while securing your financial future. Imagine shedding the excess and embracing a simpler, more fulfilling lifestyle. Downsizing isn't just about decluttering, it's about letting go of what no longer serves you and making room for new experiences. We'll guide you through the process of downsizing, helping you navigate the emotional and practical aspects with grace and ease. Your retirement years are a time to embrace freedom, and downsizing can be the key to unlocking it. Downsizing homes, the key to freedom. Downsizing isn't just about having less space, it's about having more freedom. We'll examine how this shift can lead to a brighter and less encumbered retirement. Imagine a life where you're no longer tied down by the responsibilities of a large home. Downsizing allows you to free up time, energy, and financial resources, enabling you to pursue the activities you love and create meaningful experiences. We'll show you how downsizing can unlock a new chapter of your life, one filled with adventure, exploration, and the fulfillment of long-held dreams. Your path to freedom begins with the decision to downsize, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Tax implications of real estate, the financial crossroads. Taxes are an inevitable part of real estate, and understanding their implications is crucial. In this chapter, we'll dissect the tax considerations associated with owning, buying, and selling properties, helping you navigate the financial terrain. Imagine taxes as the crossroads where financial decisions meet legal obligations. Whether you're a homeowner, a real estate investor, or someone in between, taxes play a significant role in shaping your financial outcomes. We'll explore property taxes, capital gains taxes, and deductions available to homeowners and investors. By understanding the tax landscape, you can make informed decisions that minimize your tax burden and maximize your financial gains. Real estate taxes, the maze unraveled. Taxes can be perplexing, but they don't have to be insurmountable obstacles. We'll untangle the web of real estate taxes, exploring deductions and benefits that can lighten your financial burden. Imagine navigating through a maze with a map that leads you to tax savings. We'll guide you through the various tax deductions available to homeowners, from mortgage interest deductions to property tax deductions. For real estate investors, we'll delve into the concept of depreciation, a tax benefit that can offset rental income and reduce your tax liability. By unraveling the complexities of real estate taxes, we empower you to navigate the maze with confidence and clarity. Homeownership tax benefits, the silver lining. Homeownership isn't just about a place to live, it's about financial perks that can brighten your financial outlook. We'll shed light on the tax advantages that come with owning a primary residence. Imagine your home as a treasured chest of tax benefits waiting to be discovered. We'll explore the capital gains exclusion, a provision that allows you to exclude a portion of the gains from the sale of your primary residence from taxation. Additionally, we'll discuss the concept of the homestead exemption, a measure that can reduce your property tax liability. By tapping into these homeownership tax benefits, you're not only securing your present, but also enhancing your financial future. Chapter 14, Real Estate Market Strategies. Marketing your property, the art of attraction. In the realm of real estate, marketing is the brush that paints a vivid picture of your property. We'll explore effective strategies for capturing the attention of buyers or tenants. Imagine your property as a masterpiece waiting to be unveiled to the world. Effective marketing is the key to presenting your property in the best light and attracting the right audience. We'll delve into strategies for creating eye-catching listings, staging your property for maximum appeal, and utilizing professional photography and virtual tours to showcase its unique features. By mastering the art of attraction, you set the stage for a successful transaction that benefits both you and your potential buyers or tenants. Real estate marketing, the digital landscape. The digital age has transformed how we market properties, opening up new avenues for reaching a wider audience. We'll dive into modern marketing techniques that harness the power of online platforms and social media. Imagine the vast online landscape as a canvas for your property's story. We'll guide you through the world of digital marketing, from creating compelling online listings to utilizing social media platforms and search engine optimization techniques to boost your property's visibility. The digital age has provided us with tools that can amplify your property's reach and impact, connecting you with potential buyers or tenants from across the globe. By embracing the digital landscape, you're embracing a world of limitless possibilities. Real estate negotiation, the art of the deal. Negotiation isn't just about haggling, it's about crafting favorable deals. In this section, we'll delve into the art of negotiation, helping you secure the best terms in real estate transactions. Imagine negotiation as a dance where both parties move toward a harmonious agreement. Whether you're buying or selling, negotiation is a skill that can make a significant difference in the outcome of a real estate transaction. We'll provide you with strategies for effective negotiation, from setting clear objectives to understanding the motivations of the other party. By mastering the art of the deal, you empower yourself to achieve outcomes that align with your goals and aspirations. Chapter 15, The Future of Real Estate. Trends Shaping the Future, the Real Estate Evolution. Ladies and gentlemen, the future of real estate is a canvas waiting to be painted. In this final chapter, we predict the trends that will redefine how we buy, sell, and experience properties in the years to come. Imagine peering into a crystal ball that reveals the contours of the real estate landscape of tomorrow. We'll explore emerging trends such as the integration of artificial intelligence in property search, the rise of sustainable and eco-friendly properties, and the growing influence of Generation Z on housing preferences. By staying ahead of these trends, you position yourself to capitalize on new opportunities and navigate changes with confidence. Future real estate trends, innovation beckons. Innovation is the heartbeat of progress, and the real estate industry is no exception. We'll explore cutting-edge technologies and market shifts that are reshaping the industry, from blockchain to augmented reality. Imagine the world of real estate as a playground of innovation, where technology and creativity converge to redefine the rules. We'll delve into how blockchain technology is transforming property transactions by enhancing transparency and security. Additionally, we'll explore the potential of augmented reality to revolutionize property tours and enhance the buyer experience. By embracing innovation, you embrace a future that holds unparalleled possibilities for growth and success. Adapting to change, thriving in transformation. Change is the only constant in the world of real estate, and your ability to adapt to these changes will determine your success. We discuss how real estate professionals and investors can navigate evolving market conditions, ensuring they thrive amidst change. Imagine yourself as a resilient oak tree, bending with the wind of change but standing strong. We'll provide insights into how to cultivate a flexible mindset, embrace new technologies, and adjust your strategies to align with shifting market dynamics. By anticipating and embracing change, you position yourself not only to weather storms but also to seize the opportunities that arise from transformation. Your journey into the future of real estate is a testament to your adaptability and determination to thrive in any environment. Dear readers, as we conclude this comprehensive exploration of the world of real estate, I urge you to embrace the knowledge and insights you've gained. Whether you're a first-time homebuyer, an aspiring investor, or someone looking to secure their retirement, the realm of real estate offers a tapestry of possibilities. With the right guidance, strategies, and mindset, you can embark on a journey that leads to financial prosperity, personal fulfillment, and a legacy that spans generations. Remember, you have the power to shape your real estate journey, and the possibilities are as boundless as your dreams.